Petunias are beautiful flowers and they give your garden such a boost. They're so bright, cheerful, colorful, but they unfortunately don't last that long, especially if you live in a climate with a lot of rainfall. But there are a few easy things that you can do to make them last longer. So what you need to do is take this spent flower stem, don't just pull the head off of it. You'll see this little bell-shaped thing with a little dot in the middle. Just clip that off right close to the stem of the actual plant. And that way the plant will not try and produce a seed and then think, well, it's time to die, I've done my job. Because basically that's what the plant's job is. It's to produce seeds and then to die. So if you can stop it from producing seed heads with a pair of scissors, which is really easy, you will be able to keep them flowering. They will put on more flowers, more stems, and they will keep going, and they will give you that beautiful show of color for most of the season. Of course, unless the rain bashes them. As you can see over here, these ones are needing a little bit of a tidy. It's not been that long since I actually purchased these. We had a little bit of rain last night, unfortunately, as you can see what it's done here. These were in a greenhouse, so they're a little bit in shock with the rain. It's taken some of the color off of here. I need to get in here with my scissors and actually tidy these up. Anyway, keep the soil moist. If it's really dry, water morning and evening, and they should be good to go.